Hello guys, my name is Anay and today I will be talking about how evolution occurred.
Hello guys, this is the presentation on evolution. So how does evolution work? If you think that a dog gives birth to a fox in evolution, then you are wrong. No, evolution is much more complicated. The process also is thought to have taken more than 1 billion years. It all happened because we are not perfect, and if it hadn't happened, then no organisms would have been here today. There are two main ways in which mutations occur triggering evolution. One is ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun, and the other is mistakes in our body. Ultraviolet rays come and bombard the DNA, which causes mutations. During replication, a new DNA strand is added. This causes mutations. Here is an example of evolution through natural selection. Between 40,000 to 20,000 years ago, wolves started to become dogs. The proof for this is that around this time, wolves started to change. Their teeth started to become accustomed to chewing on bones, as this would be the food that they would get near human settlements. The wolf dog is a close representation of what a wolf becoming a dog would have looked like. This continuous evolution caused an explosion of species. Their relation is shown in the tree of life. In this tree of life, we can find that all organisms are linked and some branched out later than others did. One big proof for evolution occurring is ERVs. ERV stands for endogenous retroviruses. They prove evolution as there are 50 million places in our genome where they can insert their DNA. However, there are a lot of organisms that share a common place where the virus has inserted its DNA. For example, there are many common points of insertion between apes and humans. Thank you and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.